Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Austin, as always, seems to be working on shit whenever I start videos.
Damn right.
So, anyway, we're putting old wheels from the Suburban. We're gonna jack Holly up so we can have some ground clearance since we don't have a lift. Lesson of the day is don't die and do what you can do with the things that you have.
Bed flex.
Almost there. I'm like scared to touch the truck.
Hey.
Shit. Alright, drop it. Close enough.
Why the fuck didn't that work the first time?
I don't know. But we didn't get on camera, so as far as they know, that was our first time.
Shit.
Hey, Bruce Springsteen. You alright there, bud?
Splendid.
All you need is a beer in your hand, right?
Yeah, and a cigarette. Shit. Shit.
Today we are going to be working on Holly, the original truck of the channel for people who are new and trying to figure out what's going on here. So this is Holly. This is my first truck in high school, 1985 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. We're undergoing a full restoration. 18 years old, so it's a little slow working on it. You know, it's a learning process, but with the channel, I'm bringing everyone along to work on it. Anyway, today we are going to attempt to take the bed off. So what I'm going to do is cut off the old bed bolts because it's been on there for 30 fucking years. What the fuck? Okay. Little rice burner hauling ass, doesn't know how to fucking drive. Initiated brakes right here. That line went all the way to here. So that means Stu was sliding without control of his vehicle for however long that is. Okay. I understand that might not piss a lot of people off, but I got my grandpa's truck, Pam, and Casey all on the side of the road here. If you're hauling ass, you hit one of my trucks, you're gonna piss me off. So, lesson of the day, don't drive around, don't be a jackass and not know how to fucking drive and potentially tear my shit up, because I work for my shit. Huh, baby?
Or you know, we can actually just rotate it, put it up on the thing. Like, put it over like this. Okay, literally just turn it to its side, pick it up like this, where it's sitting on this, and just fucking roll it in. Sounds good. You gotta rotate it first. Unless you're gonna just. Are you using the bed of this? Yeah, but it ain't gonna hurt. It's just slide over. Maybe it's just pull back. It's not gonna slide directly in. Are you saying roll it this way and then go up? What I'm saying is angle it this way, but it's gonna be back. Pull it up on that side, and then just fucking push it in. So with that corner, use it as a pivot to get through. The ass in the bed, this way. It doesn't matter which direction you go. We have to stop this and start down. Get her on the same fucking thing. Now we're in the backyard. Y'all have fun. Mission accomplished. Who the fuck goes on 3? 3? Okay, lit. 1, 2, 3.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Holly here now has the bed completely torn off. Holly here. Huge shout out to Austin, Harrison, and Tommy. He's taking off right here. I like his car a lot. Too bad Holly's gonna beat it whenever she's finished. Huge shout out to all those guys coming out here and helping. Huge shout out to Brooke, which is Austin's girlfriend. She filmed us while we were monkeying that damn bed around to get it back in the backyard so it's out of the way. Anyway guys, that's all I gotta say for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Hopefully it wasn't too short. But this is Holly progress is slowly picking back up again now that we have warmer weather. Anyway guys, go down in the description. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever the fuck else is down there. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And like always guys, stay country.